been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone.
Let me see where you say in through the what?
Through the chong.
Our female cow. Cow there must want what, 500,000.
500,000 for? You never get 100,000. Maybe 100, yes. When I run.
Here they come.
No.
Enough.
So, and your business?
Wanna go on, man?
Yeah, I think you can, puppy. Now when you used to walk road sign instead of walk on the street to go home.
I wish we walk again. Lord Jesus. Well, Annie.
Put me down there, so.
Munchie!
No bother with the dung there, so, you know.
Me nah go there.
Munchie! You answer?
Yeah, it's a yeah.
How will they walk again? How will they walk? Okay. Alright.
You can walk up or something, they go behind the house.
Alright.
So we're over there.
Hey,
Over there.
It's so
over here.
That dung so.
How long me na kumagaya sa man?
It feels nice to walk. I don't know why, but it feels.
This is why I'm not got bush, you know.
Oh yeah. Hey, you're so extra. It feels nice to just go outside and walk.
Yes, Jack. Walk on your left hand side, you say?
Yeah.
You sure Munchie say right place? I must say so. So them pine are big. Pine. The ratty them me last.
It took me.
How when I tell me say?
I hear it.
You hear what?
The river.
You hear water.
Mommy! Stop running. You're gonna make me out. Push.
Me wrong.
Daddy, are you okay?
One more job. I'm gonna catch you now. Go on again.
Get the wire.
Do it again.
The bite tap me like, oh God, I was drop on my face. This time my nephew is at first done.
Hello, no look.
Be careful.
Where is that? Yeah, I worry about me.
Go on up front.
Mama, can I go in front?
Why?
Mommy, be careful. I might fall.
Go ants, mommy, we are going to be ants nest.
Man, I cut down tree. See your Alec there now? Is it real? Alec.
Yo, mosquito, don't you know how I know?
Say your name now. Just walk fast.
Go on, mommy, get up.
Boy, you're coming in a spaghetti strap.
And a spaghetti, and mommy, come down in a spaghetti truck.
I don't know,
Man,
man.
love Mario. That's why you see
And you hear river?
your touch.
You hear that? Hear it?
Oh, God. Oh, yes, it's like this. Why?
No, I'm not dropping up because I can't carry no. Because stone up. Mashing up. Oh, let me up on the right track. You know how long me not come over here, someone? So I'm a bikini.
So now you have bikini.
Yes. It's a bikini, I can't take you up.
Oh, so just joke me. Mommy, move. Me near your body. Ow.
It's a lead.
Boy. Box that.
We are turning back. I'm telling you,
Mr. Marshall got front, you know.
yes, you keep quiet, yes.
Jeez.
Chan.
Just a gap. Boom, boom, boom.
Hey, no make no courage catching, no catch bush catching up on the foot here.
So how me know what they look like, Mario?
Don't hold on for no whisk. You catch me, no?
You get you?
Yeah.
Then catch your
That's
paw.
why I know. Catch up on my foot.
Give me a hand, Mario. Mario, I can't.
Yeah.
Oh shit. No, pop me
I
out.
left you hold on down here. Me hold on, me I left down here.
Remember, say I love pick up.
Come on, hurry up because catch bush catch me now.
I got that at the back.
Yes, you catch me on my foot.
On your foot.
Yeah.
You do that better. You catch up on your hand. Why not at all? Ow. Shimma.
I hope you are going right place.
Huh?
You see you down here dark?
Poison ivy ain't an English, Mario.
Guys, what?
Poison ivy. No?
Holy shit, me no know.
Seriously, Mario?
How wish we?
Maybe this way because it's sunlight.
Oh Jesus. Hold on. Hold on.
Yes.
How wish we? Oh, go on, get it, go on.
I'm going to suck on this and look bush up.
Mm.
Like people not walk there.
Annie, me, how do come down here?
Adventure got lost in the woods.
Come on, man, you wake up the wolf for them and beer them or something.
Where you wolf?
Faith, come go behind me. Behave, Faith, shit. Come go behind me, Faith. You nasty.
Oh, it hurt. Is that okay? Mr. Slider, is that alright? Oh, God. Is that
Hey, boy, you okay?
Ow!
Ah, you make me not catch it on video. I want to know more catch.
No, sir. This is not real. Mr. Sniper, you're so straight now. What? We don't laugh too much because they're pop to me last night. Oh, God.
This way. I can see.
Can see?
I could see. So why you're...
Faith, top shit down in bush. Yo, listen to me, man.
Sorry, I'm not trying to put me behind. Like, Rissa. Mommy, stop not so fast. Oh, shit. You're like making me problem. You better hold you up.
Better. You know how already?
Oh, God.
Can do constant here.
You better me say, look,
Today.
Mommy's getting
Today enough. Do cons.
post me and take me down your G's and P's.
And what happened? Hello, Joan. Beer do cons. I want to make sure you're not dropping that water.
Why?
What?
Why?
Because I'm not drowned.
It bark me can hear it. I correct. Try you far.
so I'm gonna be in the shadow because I don't want
Can
No,
the boy?
you're afraid already, you know?
What? Hello.
My girl can't swim. So get them here. A spider.
Come on, where you go, boss?
You see me, I watching me, mommy, I take. And if you know, you say my slide, me, I go. Me, I jump. Shit. Up on the dirt. Yeah, oh, so,
But I mean, it's most big, so you're not going to come.
Oh, God. But hey,
What? See that?
Maria, that's not funny. Post mommy this close.
I'm scared.
You want me go in front of you?
Eh? Yeah. I don't know. I'm not going to eat.
What's up? I'll come down.
That cover me, you.
Daddy!
Wanna?
Take it off, we got together.
See, bamboo just drop here, you know? If you know I still not drop,
Huh? That look Deep your part.
Where?
It's deep. You will like deep.
So, but when we cross that,
I pass that.
Up so deep.
Ow, pine bushes.
ready, go and go see how deep it is.
I will marry
Yeah, Mario's gonna go test to
It's
see.
not that deep. Yeah.
Come let me sit down. Me sit down right there. So.
What do you mean sit down right there, so?
That's a rock.
Look how deep it is. Holy shit.
And who am I going there? I'm here there for tomorrow. What alright, this will cover you.
And why you choose? Why you choose to come at this one here?
Where did you pass? The visa I want you to pass. Go on, first, mommy. Yeah, mommy, go on. Look at you.
jump back there, water.
Mario. There's a rock here, face.
Two one time. Come, Mario, come. Mario, here we go.
Where you coming for?
Put your feet up, right?
Water warm too.
Shoes up, come on.
Just jump back, sir.
Don't do that. So cold. Let me stay over here, over here.
Ah! Because I burn me. Mommy, mommy, give me a hug. Yeah. It's so cool.
So where does this lead to?
Eh?
Where does this lead to?
One next one. Really feel?
Mommy!
We start to go too fast. I don't know how deep it is. Oh my God.
If you don't bamboo that drop on the look and shoot you here. I bamboo them a drop. See them a break?
I'm scared.
Yeah.
No.
Come on, let me go. How am you again? Come on, let me go. Go front and feel out the water. Tell me, man. You want? I want to make sure you're not dropping on no hole. Come on, get a hole on yourself, man.
Daddy.
Mario!
On the stay and the... Yes, I do. Yes, I do. We're going to go back up. We're going to go back up. Yes, I do. Wait, extra.
Mommy, look how far I'm gone.
I'm going to go back up. You want to see go?
How far are you
We
there?
are go up on the bank and show you. Go back up. I want waterfall on me. Go on back out. Go on out.
Mommy, I have to go first. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm fixing myself some honey corn to pull me away.
Actually, you're fat, that's why they push away. Yes. So make sure no water no come down with you down here. Make sure no water.
Richard, go hold on to mommy.
You can't laugh.
No.
Go on, man.
Mario, stop! Mario, stop. Richard, go. I give you the correct coin. Mario, stop. Come on. Cool. And because it's...
On the light.
I'm not lying.
Oh.
Ow, my toe. Me two of them swell up.
I don't want to go river. I don't
You never know if it's so deep.
see water they
So
get.
we're going to the one with the pond. That's Pond Lake River. It's a cup.
I don't bend down on them here and make it touch you know. Got pepper and sea bite you know. Is it rain?
Yeah.
And make sure we know come down with your bar side here, you know.
Ready?
Come, go look fast, come.
Daddy.
Come. Huh? Alright, this is it. Stay, Risa, stay. Huh? The water is deep. Alright, this is a hole. Alright, hey. You cross back the river before you come down. Hey! It's raining, so gotta make sure we are on the other side. That's just in case the river come down, it can go up. So if we get stuck on this side, we're in a problem.
Give me a hand.
Just jump off it.
No. It's a pull me up. Well, you better hurt before you don't pull your way into water from south river. You go wash it down.
You can stay in here so till it come down. When we see they get higher and higher.
Oh, you want to see the water come down?
Eh? No, I'm telling you, you say you have to go out. You can't stay here, so.
You can stay here, so. I'm afraid you fall. You want to see the water come down, but then you have to go run up the hill. Run up a hill. Look, watch. It's going to start rising.
Huh?
I'm not going to start rising.
You're not going to rise. You by the end of the rain. Where you going?
Let me watch your eyes over here.
Come on, Fiat. Coward.
Let me watch your eyes over here. No, we not a beat, man.
Why? They were not beating her dead.
You want a nice pool like with the rain? That's what I love. God, we can't put rain up. Where did the rain? Where is it? You gonna take a swim? Eh? You want to power rock like a so? Oh, you? Fish. The fish in this water. Yeah.
Deep, like 2 years ago, when they can't reach the bottom.
Yeah?
Like
Wow.
Deep. Like,
Yeah, it doesn't look. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello. When the water this color, you don't trust it. You don't trust it until you can fully see through it to see that light, you know?
You have to jump off of the rock stone.
What is that? Is that a mosquito in the water? No, not like water fighting. Me like it in the water when me can like
When me can't
somewhat
see. No, not somewhat. Me have to see bottom. Me not see bottom. Me not like money. That's why the pond, the one
Yeah?
that was where. And me good for me chair. I found a rock for me and I'm sitting on the rock. And I'm holding on. The current of the water down there so it's very slow.
Yes, sir, disgusting.
Come.
a lot of rough fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me, die for you. Remember when them tell us that me couldn't be the wife for you. That inna the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That inna the days and now it's every day.